Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the shape of fade on the Ibis Paint X application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my canvas. I want to erase some things because I don't have space. So firstly, if you want to set the shape of the fade, just a minute please, just click to the hand icon at the upper right corner of the screen. If the force fade option is enabled, you can check the shape of fade, the third option, and here you can find two options. Actually I use the first, but if you want to use the second, you can use a different method of the fade. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.